Cryptocurrency latest news today: INR prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Shiba Inu, and other coins. World number one cryptocurrency Bitcoin was trading lower at 29 rupees, 78,036, down 3.06% at 12:40 p.m. as of Thursday, June 17. The correction in Bitcoin seemed to have affected the price movement of other cryptocurrencies too. Top crypto coins and tokens were trading in red on Thursday. CoinSwitch Kuber, the Indian exchange that facilitates trading in cryptocurrencies in India, showed an overall global market down by 2.20% on Thursday. Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polka Dot, and all major coins were seen trading in the red. Tether, number 3 on global ranking as per CoinSwitch, however, was trading marginally in green at 75.7958 rupees, 0.01%. A week's data shows this coin has been struggling and trading in the range of 74 rupees 081 rupees. Meanwhile, Ethereum was down 3.5% and was available at 1 rupee, 86,320 per ETH. Binance Coin, that holds the number 4 position globally as per the same data, was also down 1.34% and was trading at 27,450 rupees and 86 paise per BNB. Cardano, rank 5, 116.82613 rupees, own 2.13%. Polka Dot, rank 9, 1,818 rupees and 88 paise, down 1.8%. Two very popular coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, were also trading in negative territory. Dogecoin was trading 1.86% lower and was available at 23.803270 rupees per Doge. Shiba Inu was down 8.72% on Thursday's trading session after gaining over 20% on Wednesday, as per WazirX data. Earlier, the dog breed meme coin soared on the back of reports that suggested Shiba Inu has been listed on Coinbase Pro and expectation of getting listed on the Robinhood exchange. As far as trading in cryptocurrencies in India are concerned, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, on May 31, RBI had earlier asked banks not to cite its 2018 circular that prohibited banks and NBFCs from dealing in crypto business. It said the 2018 circular on cryptocurrencies has been set aside by the Supreme Court, SC, in March 2020. The circular is not valid from the date of the SC order and cannot be cited or quoted from, the RBI said. However, RBI Governor Shakti Kanta Das later said the central bank's view on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin remains unchanged and it continues to have major concerns on the volatile instruments. There is no change in RBI's position on cryptocurrencies. Our circular clarifies the position very well, PTI reported RBI Governor making this statement. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more interesting videos.